I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the essentials are ready. Check your Ps5 system update and install it if pending, because firmware fixes Shareplay bugs. Sign in with your PlayStation Plus account and turn on Remote Play and Shareplay permissions so invitations will work. Next, get a strong connection, prefer wired Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, and verify you have at least 15 to 25 megabits upload. Once done, you'll initiate Shareplay from a party to invite a friend. Now start the Shareplay flow. Open a party, choose Shareplay, then invite your friend as a visitor. That grants temporary control. Decide whether they will play as a visitor or simply watch your screen, and pick a stream quality. Lower to 720p if latency or frame drops happen. To reduce interruptions, quit any background apps and disable high bandwidth display features like HDR or variable refresh while streaming, because they increase encoding load. Make sure both sides accept prompts promptly so the session establishes. To complete the setup, confirm your friend has accepted and that control passed correctly. Test inputs briefly. If you see lag or stutter, reduce stream resolution, switch to Ethernet, or pause other network activity because bandwidth causes most problems. If invites fail, restart your Ps5 and router, sign out and back into PlayStation Network, then resend the invite. Finally, if problems persist, try a different friend or a new party to determine whether the issue is account-related or network-related. That isolates the root cause quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.